Protobothrops tokarensis, commonly known as the Tokara habu, is a venomous pit viper endemic to the Tokara Islands in Japan. This species is of particular interest due to its restricted geographic range and unique adaptations to its environment. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproductive strategies, and conservation status of the Tokara habu. Physical characteristics. The Tokara habu is a medium-sized snake, typically reaching lengths of 2 to 3 feet, though some individuals may grow slightly longer. It possesses a stout body and a distinct, triangular head, which is characteristic of many vipers. The coloration of Protobothrops tokarensis varies, but it generally features a gray or brown background with darker crossbands or blotches that provide effective camouflage against the forest floor and rocky substrates. The scales of the Tokara habu are keeled, giving it a rough texture. The eyes have vertical, elliptical pupils, which is common among nocturnal and venomous snakes. The head is equipped with heat-sensing pit organs located between the eyes and nostrils, enabling the snake to detect infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded prey, an adaptation that is particularly useful for nocturnal hunting. Habitat and distribution. Protobothrops tokarensis is endemic to the Tokara Islands, a small group of islands in the southern part of the Japanese archipelago. The island's subtropical climate and varied topography provide a range of habitats for the Tokara habu, including forests, rocky hillsides, and coastal areas. This snake prefers dense vegetation in areas with ample ground cover, such as leaf litter, logs, and rocks, which offer shelter and hunting grounds. The restricted distribution of this species makes it particularly vulnerable to habitat changes and human activities. It is often found near water sources, such as streams and rivers, which provide a rich supply of prey and suitable microhabitats. Behavior and adaptations. The Tokara habu is primarily nocturnal, being most active during the night when it hunts for prey. During the day, it typically hides under rocks, logs, or in dense vegetation to avoid predators and the heat of the day. This snake is an ambush predator, relying on its excellent camouflage and heat-sensing pits to detect and capture prey. When threatened, the Tokara habu may exhibit defensive behaviors such as coiling, hissing, and striking. Its venom, delivered through long, hinged fangs, is used both for subduing prey and as a defense. Mechanism against potential threats. The venom of Protobothrops tokarensis is hemotoxic, causing damage to tissues and blood cells, which helps immobilize prey quickly. Diet and hunting strategies. The Tokara habu is a carnivorous predator, feeding primarily on small mammals, birds, lizards, and frogs. It uses its heat-sensing pits to detect the body heat of warm-blooded prey, making it an effective nocturnal hunter. Once prey is detected, the Tokara habu strikes rapidly, injecting venom that immobilizes the prey and begins the digestive process. The snake then uses its strong jaws and flexible body to swallow the prey whole. This efficient hunting strategy allows the Tokara habu to exploit a wide range of prey items in its habitat. Reproduction. Protobothrops tokarensis is oviparous, meaning it lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young. Mating typically occurs in the spring, and females lay clutches of 4 to 10 eggs in the early summer. The eggs are deposited in concealed, warm, and humid locations such as leaf litter, under logs, or in burrows. The eggs incubate for about 2 to 3 months before hatching. The hatchlings are fully independent from birth and resemble miniature versions of the adults, including their distinctive coloration and venomous capabilities. They grow rapidly, reaching maturity in about 2 to 3 years. Juvenile Tokara habus face many predators, and their cryptic coloration provides an important survival advantage during this vulnerable stage. Conservation status. The Tokara habu is considered vulnerable due to its restricted range and the specific habitat requirements. Habitat destruction due to urbanization, deforestation, and agricultural expansion poses significant threats to local populations. Additionally, the species is sometimes killed by humans out of fear of its venomous bite. Conservation efforts should focus on preserving the natural habitats of the Tokara habu and promoting awareness of its ecological role. Educating the public about the importance of venomous snakes in controlling rodent populations and maintaining ecosystem balance can help reduce unnecessary killing and foster coexistence with humans. Cultural significance. In the Tokara Islands, the Tokara habu holds a place in local folklore and traditions. It is often associated with danger due to its venomous bite, but it is also respected for its role in controlling pest populations. The snake is sometimes featured in local legends and stories, highlighting its significance in the cultural heritage of the region. Conclusion. Protobothrops tokarensis, the Tokara habu, is a remarkable species that exemplifies the unique biodiversity of the Tokara Islands. Its striking appearance, potent venom, and ecological role make it a fascinating subject of study and a vital component of its ecosystem. Understanding and protecting the Tokara habu is essential for maintaining the biodiversity and ecological balance of its natural habitats. Through continued research, conservation initiatives, and public education, we can work towards ensuring the survival of this captivating species for future generations to appreciate and study.